Hi, Professor Anthony Rizzi of the Institute for Advanced Physics on Faith Matters. I want to talk to you about men of science. Science began in the heart of the Catholic Church. As John Paul II says, ex cordia ecclesia, out of the heart of the church. What is he talking about comes out of the heart of the church? Surprising as it may seem, the university. And science is at the heart of the university because physics is, we start with what we know, and physics is a science. Physics is the first science, actually. These men that came out of the heart of the church were very Christian in their thinking. And I want to give you two examples, Isaac Newton and James Clerk Maxwell. Now, most of you have probably heard of Isaac Newton. Though he didn't have a complete orthodox understanding, it was deficient in many ways, he definitely believed that God was in control of the world and at the heart of making everything what it is. He was a very religious man and guarded his chastity, by the way, in a way that got him made fun of. James Clerk Maxwell is the one I really want to familiarize you with, because the electricity and magnetism, that thing that's bringing you this signal that by which you're seeing me, was basically, the theory of that was that makes what you're seeing possible was done by James Clerk Maxwell. And he was a staunch Protestant Christian. And we should learn from his model because he studied the book of nature and he learned the book of nature, and we as Catholics need to do that. But he also studied God's book. And what he did is on every Sunday, though he studied all week long, he would devote Sunday to theology so that he could take what he'd learned in his physics and bring it to where it belongs, which is to see God in what he's doing. So I just want to bring to your attention that these men of science should be models in this regard, that we should take we should look at the physical world where we start and then let our studies lead us to deepen our appreciation and love for him who made it all. Thank you for listening.